In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Epic Games app on Android. On supported Android devices, you can now grab the Epic Games app directly through the Google Play Store, which is the safest and easiest way to get started. Before we jump in, double check that your phone is running Android 8.0 or later, and that you have about 25 megabytes of free space for the app itself. Remember, individual games will require much more storage if you choose to install them later. For security, avoid downloading Epic Games APK files from unofficial websites. Sticking to Google Play and Epic's official channels helps protect your device. Let's walk through the process. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. At the top, tap the search bar and type Epic Games, or simply type Fortnite, which will also lead you to the right publisher. From the results, select the official app from Epic Games Inc. Taking a quick moment to confirm the developer name is a helpful way to avoid lookalike listings and ensure you're installing the authentic app. On the app page, tap Install. The download for the app is relatively small, so it should complete quickly on most connections. Once installation finishes, tap Open to launch it. You can also find the Epic Games app in your app drawer or on your home screen, depending on your launcher and settings. When the app opens, sign in to your Epic Games account. This connects the app to your existing profile and lets you access your account features. If your account uses additional verification, just follow the prompts to complete sign in. After you're in, you'll be able to use the Epic account tools provided in the app, such as chat and authentication features. A quick note on availability. In some regions, the version of Epic Games you get from Google Play focuses mainly on account features like chat and authentication. The full Epic Games Store app, which includes downloadable games, may still require installation from Epic's website depending on where you live. If you notice that game downloads aren't available in your Play version, that difference is likely the reason, and Epic's official support pages can clarify what's available in your region. That's all it takes. Open the Play Store, search for Epic Games or Fortnite, choose the official Epic Games Inc. listing, tap Install, and then open the app and sign in. Keep your device updated, maintain enough storage for any games you plan to add, and always use trusted sources. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Epic on your Android device.